Hello, my name is Ashley. Today I'm gonna prepare for you very delicious lemonade that you never drank. So, what do we know? People, they have trees and their lemon falls down, and it's summertime. The heat it falls the lemons. So what did I do? I picked them up and I squeeze them, and I'm gonna make you very good measurement. So for this lemonade, first what we have to do, I have over here a cup and 3/4, which I measured it already. It's a sugar. Okay, before I put lemonade or anything, we need the water. Now what we need is, we need 2.5 cup water, 2.5. What we have to do first, we have to melt the sugar in the water. You don't put lemonade because the lemon, you don't put the lemon because the lemon, let it melt harder, the sugar. So we have to mix it like this. You mix it well. And it's always this kind of spoon because the sugar can go through and come. Instead to do with the wooden spoon. So this is the way you do. It's already like you can see, it's melted more or less. So what do we need now? We need 4 cup of lemon. I just squeezed it and it's with the pulp. I have to fill it because a lot of them, it's a pulp. Very, 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 very healthy, very delicious. You can even mix it before. So you have to twist it, you have to stir it. And besides this, now we have to put about 2.5 to maximum 3 cup crushed ice. So this crushed ice, it's gonna be covered for the water. You can press it. That's it. This is like, it's almost like it's a water. 3 cup exactly. So now you can see it's nice and beautiful. You can offer your guest or your family whatever cups do you like. Of course, small cup, it won't be enough. They are gonna ask more, but right now I have this cup with me and I'm gonna fill it. And then it's gonna be very delicious, just like a Slurpee. And then you put a little piece of mint on it, and this is how you will enjoy it. The lemons, anything that you squeezed it and it's left over, you don't have to worry about it, because in winter time we won't have too much lemon. What you do, you put in the ice cubes like this, and you put in a freezer. And after that, when it's frozen, you'll put them in plastic bags. Anytime you need for your food, for salad and so on, you'll just take them out and you can use them. Summertime, we have plenty lemons, and I see a lot of trees, the lemons are on the ground, which is really sad. And the markets are very expensive, the lemon. My customers, they always ask me if I have a lemon, because it's really, really expensive. So this is the way you do for the winter time. At least you can have lemon all the time. So don't let go waste your lemons. You can prepare like this for your children, for your family, for your friends, anytime they need it. And this is delicious lemonade. Every time I do for my customers, they really enjoy it. They think it's something special that is in it, the way the recipe is. It's very tasty. Well, I hope you'll try this, exactly the same recipe. You will love it. Well, cheers to you, and I hope you don't let the lemon go for waste. It's very tasty. Well, thank you for watching, and if you tried it, you like it, please subscribe my channel, and I thank you very much. Bye-bye. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this channel. I want to thank to all my patrons on patreon.com for their support to make my channel possible. Thank you.